Are you ready to learn our lesson today? Yes? Good. Let's go. Now let's look at part 1. Look, write, point, and say. Look, write, point, and say. First, let's look. What shape is it? It's a triangle. Do you remember how to write the word triangle? Con biết cách viết chữ triangle không? Good job. Now get your pencil and write down the word triangle. Bây giờ con viết xuống giùm cô chữ triangle ở đây ha. Good. Have you finished? Now let's listen.
Triangle.
And check. Did you have the correct answer? Very good. Move on to question number 2. What is it? It's an eraser. Good. Let's listen.
Eraser.
Now write down the word eraser. Have you finished? Let's check. Good. Number 3. What is it? It's a notebook. Good. Let's listen.
Notebook.
Now write it down. Okay, let's check. Notebook. And number 4. What is it? It's a sharpener. Good. Let's listen.
Sharpener.
Write down the word sharpener here. Con viết xuống chữ sharpener ở đây nha. Okay, let's check. Did you have the correct answer? Con làm đúng chưa? Mình kiểm tra từng chữ nha con. Good. And number 5. What is it? It's a crayon. Let's listen.
Crayon.
And how to write the word crayon? Write it down, please. Okay, let's check. And 6, we have a circle. Let's listen.
Circle.
Okay, let's check. And 7, we have a computer.
Computer.
Oh, you finished? Okay, let's check. Did you have the correct answer? Good. And the last thing we have, what shape is it? It's a square.
Square.
Please write down the word square. Let's check. Did you have the correct answer? Good. I'll give you some moment to correct these words. Bây giờ cô sẽ dừng màn hình để con kiểm tra lại một lần nữa những từ vựng mà mình đã viết nha. Okay, now let's move on to the next part. Mình cùng làm tới phần tiếp theo nha con. In part 2, we will have to listen and number. Listen and number. Đây là những cái số và kèm theo đó là những bức hình. Nhiệm vụ của mình trong bài này là phải listen, mình lắng nghe cái đoạn audio và điền số vào những bức tranh cho thích hợp. Now, can you tell me who's this? This is my father. Good. Who's this? This is my grandmother. Who's this? This is my mother. Good. And who is this? This is my grandfather. Now let's listen.
1. This is my grandmother. 2. This is my father. 3. This is my grandfather. 4. This is my mother.
Did you have the answer? Con đã làm được những câu trên chưa? Okay, let's listen one more time. Cùng cô nghe lại một lần nữa nha.
1. This is my grandmother.
1. This is my grandmother. So A, B, C, or D? Grandmother. Is picture B. Good job. How about number 2? Con số 2 sẽ vào bức tranh nào đây? Let's listen.
2. This is my father.
This is my father. A, C, or D? Father. So number 2 is going to picture A. Let's listen to number 3.
3. This is my grandfather.
This is my grandfather. So C or D? Is picture D. Very good. And the last question, và câu cuối cùng nha con.
4. This is my mother.
This is my mother. So mother is in picture C. 4 here. Now let's listen one more time, and this time please read the conversation. Bây giờ cô sẽ cho con nghe một lần nữa, và lần này con hãy đọc theo những thông tin ở đây con nha.
1. This is my grandmother.
This is my grandmother.
2. This is my father.
This is my father.
3. This is my grandfather.
This is my grandfather.
4. This is my mother.
This is my mother. Good job. In part 3, we will have to read, tick, point, and say. Trước tiên chúng ta cần phải đọc dòng thông tin mà đề bài cho sẵn. Sau đó so sánh với hai bức hình ở bên dưới để chúng ta chọn ra bức hình nào đúng. Và nếu bức hình đó đúng thì chúng ta sẽ đánh dấu tick vào bức hình đúng. Ok, cùng cô làm nha. Number 1. Let's read. This CD is for my grandfather.
This CD is for my grandfather.
Oh, CD. So picture A or picture B is CD? Is picture B. Good job. Number 2. This teddy is for my baby brother.
This teddy is for my baby brother.
So A or B? It's picture B. Very good. How about question number 3? Let's read. This ball is for my father. Let's listen.
This ball is for my father.
This ball. So A or B? Picture B. Good job. And question number 4. This radio is for my grandmother.
This radio is for my grandmother.
Okay, so A or B is a radio? Is picture A. Good job. Now let's move on to part 4. In part 4, we will have to read, match, and talk with your friend. Trong bài thứ 4, việc đầu tiên mình cần làm đó là đọc những dòng thông tin mà đề cho ở cả hai cột. Sau đó con sẽ phải kết hợp hai câu từ hai cột sao cho đúng cấu trúc. Cô sẽ làm cho con một câu mẫu nha. Okay, number 1. Happy birthday. This is for you. Và bây giờ cô sẽ chọn một trong những câu ở đây để điền vào chỗ trống đây sao cho thích hợp. Happy birthday. This is for you. Vậy trả lời với câu đó cô nói 12 stars có nghĩa không nhỉ? No. This is my grandmother. No. My notebook. No. It's a rectangle. No. Wednesday. No. A ball. Thank you. Yes. So much with sentence number 1 is letter F. Let's listen to check. Mình cùng nghe lại và kiểm tra nha con.
Happy birthday. This is for you. A ball? Thank you.
Good job. Now sentence 2. What shape is it? Đây là hình gì vậy? 12 stars? No. This is my grandmother? No. My notebook? Is a rectangle? Yes. Đây là hình gì vậy? Nó là hình chữ nhật. So match with sentence 2 is D. Let's listen to check. Mình nghe và kiểm tra lại nha.
What shape is it? It's a rectangle.
Good job. Now, 3. How many stars can you see? Con thấy được bao nhiêu ngôi sao? Vậy các con đã thấy được câu trả lời chưa? Good job. Is A. Good. How many stars can you see? 12 stars. Con thấy được 12 ngôi sao. Very good. Let's listen to check.
How many stars can you see? 12 stars.
Good. How about sentence number 4? What's in your school bag? Trong cặp bạn có gì vậy? Can you see the answer? Good job. The answer is letter C, my notebook. Good. Let's check.
What's in your school bag? My notebook.
Very good. Sentence number 5. Who's this? So, the answer is letter B. Good job. This is my grandmother. Let's listen.
Who's this? This is my grandmother.
Good. And the last sentence. What day is it? The answer is letter E. Wednesday. Let's listen.
What day is it? Wednesday.
We did a very good job today. Can you tell me what we have learned? Yes, we do exercise to review from Unit 1 to Unit 3. Mình đã làm bài tập để ôn tập từ Unit 1 đến Unit 3. Good job. Các con đã làm rất là giỏi luôn. Very good.